Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, if you are a housewife and if you want to make money on Amazon, so this video for you. I will show you each and every step and it would be a step-by-step process. If you have a zero knowledge, if you don't know how to product research, how to find the best product and how we can create Amazon URL to video. So this is one of the easiest way you can make money. You don't need to spend any money. Just work from home and use this method and make money. So why Amazon affiliate is the best? Because they have millions of products on their website and it's a trusted website, and the world based consumer they always buy from Amazon like USA, UK, Canada, Australia or European Union, and their affiliate program is really outstanding. So there are several ways you can make money on Amazon, but product commission is the best way. That's been Amazon affiliate. So how it's work, just so if you want to learn more, visit this website Amazon Associated. Just Google it, you will find the website. All right, only three steps: just sign up, recommend and earn. That's mean you have to sign up this account to create the affiliate link. That's mean when you visit any product you will find a link. Okay, suppose I'm going to visit this product and this is the link, guys. So this is not an affiliate link. If you want to promote this product, you have to create this account so that when your account is approved you will get a link to promote. Okay, I hope you got it. All right, and recommended, that's mean when you get your product URL you can promote this through your social media blogger. Okay, and then you can earn and up to 10%. Okay, associate commission. That's mean when you promote this product and if someone buy from through your link, and you will get up to 10%. Okay, it's depend on the niche and the category product. Okay, that's mean how do I qualify for this program, money who can earn. And okay, so that's mean who can qualify to earn this: bloggers, publishers, content creators with qualifying website or mobile app can participate this program. That's mean if you have a YouTube channel and you make videos and you can promote this kind of product. All right guys, it's an overview, so let's dive in our main part. So I will show you each and every steps, so don't worry. So there are lots of students who are watching right now, so I know how it's difficult to survive in 2024 and upcoming years. Because if you want to really grow your career in online beside the other career, so definitely you have to find the best tutorials that's gonna change your mindset and also give you the best tips. Okay, so I think I will always do my best to give you the best supports. Okay, so if you have any queries please comment below, and if you love this content please don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, so let's get started. The best way of making money online, anyone can do this. Okay, make money on Amazon affiliate. All right, so our first step is product research. So we have to do Amazon product research. How we can do this? The first step, very important. So visit the Amazon and you will find a lots of categories over there. Okay, so I don't know which one is the best for you, but you have to consider this, you have to research. Okay, so suppose if you love to gardening, okay, so you can find different kind of gardening products over there, and you will find the garden and outdoor. Click on that and just click on search. You will find a lots of categories product that's related with gardening. Okay, different kind of tools, accessories. So this is the niche or this is the category you have to do. And suppose if you love to tech gadget, okay, so you will find the tech products overall. So you will find a lots of tech products like cameras, videos, different kind of gears. Okay, also you can create home and kitchen. You will get home categories where you will find decor, furniture, kitchen and dining also. So just select the kitchen and dining, you will find another categories while you will get only the kitchen items, because you will find lots of products there and lots of categories, so you can choose and you can promote. Okay, so I hope you got the product research way how we can find your niches. But how we can find the best product? So let's see, click on coffee and tea. Suppose I'm going to find the best product on this. Okay, so how we can find? So click on featured and click on the best sellers. Okay, and you will find the best results over there. So these are the best sellers, and this is the product Black Decker 12 cup digital coffee maker. It's a digital coffee maker. Okay, so this is the product, this is the best product, because you will find the highest number of ratings, 41k plus ratings over there, and the past month they sold 10k products. Okay, it's a huge number of products. I want to promote this kind of product. Okay, so this is how you can product research. Also you can copy the product into your Google spreadsheet, so make a list on that. Okay, so it's very easy. Just create a Google spreadsheet, just copy the product name and also the URL, so that would be very easier. So just give it some time to research, and you will find hundreds of products. So make 100 product list. Okay, and the second step is YouTube account. That's mean you have to create a YouTube account especially for this kind of products. That's mean our niche is home and kitchen. So your YouTube channel should be like this, very related to home and kitchen product. When visitor visits your YouTube channel, they are very familiar that this channel is dedicated to home and kitchen. Okay, I think you got it my point. And the third step is a product video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can create the product video. So when it's time to product video, so maybe few years ago we don't have enough AI tools that gonna change our life very easier, because right now we can make URL to video. That's the great things. Okay, so you don't worry about hiring tech gadgets like cameras, gears, lights, or hiring someone who can do best video editing. Okay, so you can once you get a huge number of money, then you can spend money, but as a zero level definitely you have to do yourself. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create Amazon product URL to video. I'm going to use a tools, it's called Jog AI, to engaging video ads in a minute. So we're not producing ads, but we are going to produce something special like video. So no credit card required, get started for free. Just sign up with your Gmail account. So I have already my account and I just log in with my Gmail. And when you finally log in, you will see the URL to video ad maker, which is really amazing. And this supports Amazon, Shopify, WordPress, and Webflow, and many others. Okay, so check this out. So just click on analyze the URL. Alright, and the second step, add media and product details. That's mean they just collected the different kind of products, images over there, also the videos. Okay, so let's click on continue. Alright, and set the video settings. That's mean if you want to produce shorts video, so make sure 9:16, and if you want to create long format video, and if you want to produce a long format YouTube video, definitely you have to select 16:9 ratio. Alright, and language is English, perfect. And if you have any target audience, you can write it over there and click on next. Alright, so our script is ready, so you have to select the script. So they have show you the multiple script over there. Okay, so you can select. Also I'm going to select the top 3 regions. Okay, so let's click on next. Alright guys, so this is the final step where you have to choose the style. Okay, visual style. Alright, so this is the selected visual style. So if you want to change, so you can also, you can select the any one of them. Okay, also you can change the avatar, that's mean the character. Okay, so I'm going to change the avatar. Right now it's a male. Okay, so I'm going to change it as a female, so click on that. Alright guys, so it's already changes over there. Okay, also music, so you can select the music also there. Okay, so let's click on render the video. Alright, so let's play the video. It's a 19 seconds video.
Here are 3 reasons to grab the Black Decker 12-cup digital coffee maker.
Once you're done but you are not satisfied, if you want to edit, so you can edit like a pro edit or quick edit. So once your video is done, it's time to go back to our next step, upload and optimize video. That's mean do video SEO. So when you upload into your YouTube channel, you have to do proper like hashtag, titles, description. Okay, and definitely have to do the video SEO. And the final step is Amazon affiliate link. That's mean create Amazon associated account that I've already told you, and put the product link into the video description. You can't put the link into the short description, you have to do in the comment section. For long format video, you can add into the description. Okay, so this is how you can start making money on Amazon. So I hope you love this content. So one more thing I want to tell you, that for product URL to video creation, you will find a lots of tutorials on my channel, and you will find lots of tools over there, so you can make it as free. Maybe some tools will offer you some free and maybe some don't, so it's don't worry, just try your best and find the other tools as well. If you have any queries, please comment below. I will come back with next tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.